and that's how these people selected to apply to Facebook and also to Twitter. Now, what we're going to do now is just going to look at the view by mailing list. So what this will do is it will bring up the different mailing lists that we've got. So in this account, we've got a new mailing list, my mailing list, monthly newsletter, and also an example mailing list. This just represents how much of the percentage the mailing lists take over. So here it gives you a great idea of what people are joining your mailing list, what one they find most popular, and obviously from that you can then take action. So if you're finding that a lot of people are joining a particular mailing list, then you might want to see why they're joining that mailing list. So what exactly are you sending out? That must be more useful to the people. If you've got any subscribed triggers, is that helping, and so on. Just like before, you can actually download or save the chart as an image and also print it. If you want to view a specific mailing list, all you do is click on the mailing list that you want to view from the options down here. Just got a breakdown of the list, opens, clicks, and obviously things like that. If you want to click on the list breakdown, it will show you again just that little chart, but also you'll see the list view of the amount of people that are in that mailing list that obviously joined it and got sent to. We've also got the view by recipients on the left hand side here. So what this does is it allows you to select a contact from the alphabet down here, or if you've got a particular person that you want to select, all you do is type in the first word of that person, and then we've got obviously different people showing here, and you just select the one that you want to view. Just to take note, you've also got the different mailing lists that are on the right hand side. So if you know that particular person is in that mailing list, then you can select that, and then from there you can actually select the individual. So all we're going to do here is on the left hand side how I search for the W. You can also click on the different letters to go back. But once you find the person that you're looking for, all you do is click on that individual, and in the space on the right hand side you'll see some statistics for that person. So right at the top we can see the different mailing lists that they are involved with. So we've got the my mailing list that they've actually subscribed to, because that's an S for subscribed. We've got a new mailing list, which is just here, and that is OK. OK just means that you have actually imported that email address into there, and they're OK to send to the valid email addresses. So what we've got here as well is you can see the mailing list that was sent to, the newsletter that was sent, and obviously the date and time it was sent. You've also got this little graphic on the left hand side to indicate that it was sent. The one below it is that basically means that they've posted the newsletter that you sent to them on social network sites. So we can see from this section that they were posted to Facebook. Again, if we just go a little bit further down, you can see here that this person has actually clicked on a link within your email. So in the newsletter that was sent on Monday the 1st of Jan, the mailing list, that's the platform that you're using, the browser, and obviously the location that they're at. You can also click on the link to see exactly what they clicked on. So as you can see where it's highlighted, it means that they've actually clicked on our Facebook to go onto our Facebook page. This little icon here represents that the recipient has opened the newsletter. Again, it tells you the date and time, and also the location of that person. It just gives you a brief outlook straight away of the different mailing lists or different newsletters that they've been sent to, and it gives you a quick indication on what actions they've actually taken with those newsletters that have been sent. So finally, just on the left hand side, we've got trigger statistics. So what this means is if you've got any autoresponders or triggers, such as subscribe triggers or click and also unsubscribe, then again it just gives you some details of that. So the subject line for that trigger was welcome to our mailing list. the type of trigger was the subscribe trigger. That means if anyone subscribes to my mailing list, they'll instantly receive this email which will say, "Welcome to our mailing list." Just a little bit further down, you can see that we've got a graphical view again. If you hover over those, you can see how many times people have opened it, how many times they've clicked. Again, if you want to remove a certain section, so if you just want to look at the opens, you just click on clicked to remove the click. If you want it back, you just click on again, and also applies with the opens. You can unclick that and then see. So the indication on the left hand side here is just that it's clicked once, so that's why it is at that height. Again, as stated, you can download the images if you wanted to. So you've got the 100% click. Also a little bit further down, you've got the unsubscribe. So that's a different trigger that we've got. So subject line for that was "Sorry to see you go." The type of trigger was unsubscribe trigger. You've also got the from, so it's the email address and also the name that you placed on that email being sent out. Again, as stated, just interactive chart to see exactly what statistics have been shown. Now, what also we have here is you can actually search for the individual triggers that you want to view, or also you've got a filter. Now this comes in useful for when you want to view a number of different emails that you sent out. You can select to show 15 triggers or 15 emails, and if you send 15 emails or have 15 triggers, then it will represent them down below. Again, you can just click on the more icon to keep on searching for the one that you would like. So that's a brief outline of the new reports and statistics. I do hope that you like them, because as I say, they've got new statistics and new data that you can have. One thing that I will mention is this new also aspect here is industry stats. Now what this allows you to do is just click on this section, and from the drop down you can select the different industry that you're in. So if we're computer and software, we can actually see from our emails that we sent out how we compare to the industry statistics. So the other GraphicMail users that have that same industry. So here we can see that 100% was delivered from myself, and from the industry generally there's only 92%, so we're above in that one. The opens, as it was only a small mailing list, we had 100% opens, and also the industry statistics show that generally it's only 20% of your entire mailing list that will open your email. The same applies with the clicks and also the industry clicks. So this gives you a good indication on how well your campaigns are doing against different people that use GraphicMail or that are in that specific industry. If you find that the industry is better than your actual sends, then you may want to try different advanced features such as inbox preview to make sure that the newsletter looks okay, or even if you want to try the A/B testing to try and improve your open or click rate. Now there will be help files and also different webinars to help you look at the advanced features that you can use to better your reports and statistics, but those will be covered in a different webinar. Now the final thing that I want to show you guys is just how to download the new user manual. So it has the actual statistics section in there. So all you need to do is click on Advanced Mail at the top, scroll a little bit further down, and where it is Introduction and Training, all you need to do is click on Download PDF. We'll just click on that now. You can obviously save it or just open it. And we'll just open this now. It's just quickly downloading at the moment. So this is downloaded. This section here is just a heading, so you can click on that section to view that specific point within the document. So here we're going to the reports and statistics. So all you do is click on the reports and statistics, and as you can see, it's took us straight into the middle of the document to view the new reports and statistics. So that is exactly how you would view that. So as I say, it's just a short demonstration of the new reports and statistics. I hope you like it, and have you guys got any questions at all?